For Monday, May 5, 2025. Severe thunderstorm watch issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of southeast Texas. An intense supercell will likely pose a threat for large to very large hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter as it tracks towards the Houston metro area this afternoon. Additional robust thunderstorms may also develop through the rest of the afternoon into early evening, also posing a threat for very large hail, along with isolated damaging winds and perhaps a tornado or two.